I'm Vi. Welcome to Sci Classroom. Today I'm going to do a PowerPoint presentation which I already did in my Arduino class this week. So let's get started. So now let's see what is a servo motor. What is a servo motor? A servo motor is an electric device which can push or rotate an object with great precision. It is used to rotate an object at some specific angles or distance. So let's move on to the applications of servo motor. It is used to operate remote controlled or radio controlled toy cars, robots and aeroplanes. And servo motors are also used in industrial applications, robotics, in line manufacturing, pharmaceutics and food services. And now let's go into the types of servo motor. There are totally two types of servo motor. First is DC servo motor and the second one is AC servo motor. So now let's compare the two servo motors. First, AC servo motor. Low power output of about 0.5 watt to 100 watt. But DC servo motor deliver high power output. And for the AC servo motor, the efficiency is less and the maintenance is also less. Whereas DC servo motor has high efficiency and frequent maintenance required. And the AC servo motor, the stability problems are less. And for the DC servo motor, more problems of stability. And for the AC servo motor, no radio frequency noise. Compared to DC servo motor, it is relatively stable and smooth operation. Whereas DC servo motor produces RF noise, it's a noisy operation. And now let's move on to the advantages of servo motor. And high output power relative to motor size and power. And the second point is resonance and vibration free operation. And the third one is the main point, high efficiency. This I already told in the DC servo motor. And high speed operation is possible. And now let's move on to the main component, Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip Atmega 328P microcontroller. It has 14 digital input or output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM output, 6 analog inputs, a 16 mHz quartz crystal, a USB connection, a power jack, an ICSP header and a reset button are there in the Arduino Uno. Thank you. So hope it been useful for you. So friends, if you want to subscribe to this channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and start watching Sci Classroom channel. Thank you. Bye bye.